ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Konggal Sangma ubadairu National President ke National People's Party ulaong baka parti jong u kanam syong klikti bad kanam shimsting Satya hadin ke jingkela kensan kasan hima sima hapo ke Jelna Meghalaya da ke jinglait penyesok jong Dr. Mukul Sangma lembat ki khat wengut ki MLA ke Seng Congress sya ke All India Trinamool Congress haka arpu santarik ubnai naiweng arajar arpu wei. Hakajing yakran bat kilat pathai khubor Konrad Sangma ulaong baka parti NPP kum ka sengsan prathai ka bakhambon pa hapo ka yeng dorbar thawan jong ka de Jelna Meghalaya kan sa bishar bha bin pa bin ye ka jinglong jingman bat kan sa shim ka buru ye ka jingkela sendet jong ka san hima sima.
For us as a party and me as of course the president of the party, we would not see any situation lightly. So whatever the situation may be and whichever party may come or whichever individuals may be there, it is important for us to not take things for granted. So definitely we'll be analyzing the political developments that have taken place and we will gear up and work harder and try to overall see how we could as a party take advantage of the the situation that is prevailing. So let us see, but as I said, for us we would take it very seriously and would examine and study the political impacts of this very important, I should say, shift that has taken place.